Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to merge object in Final Cut Pro X. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Alright, open Final Cut and open your project. And select all media files, press right button and drag and select, or click on Command plus A and select all media files, and click on Option plus G and open a window and compound clip name, and to right clip, event, and click on OK. Alright, and that's all. And press Command plus Z and select all and press right button and select new compound clip and write name and press OK. Alright, and that's all.